We also have like the little fast push game. I have 2 of them, but I didn't have the batteries and I got the clockwork from Temu. Look, it doesn't turn on, so. Look, you press them back to make it go in again. And then you press the back to make it go in again. Pop, 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 pop. Pop it. And then you push that. And then it comes right back up. And then you do it over and over again. But when you play level thing, you pop the red bubbles if it's turned on. And if it has batteries, because mine doesn't have batteries for now. And yes, I did get very here. Thank y'all. I'm not trying to show off. Trust me, I'm not one of those show offs. I'm not. I swear. I'm not. Is this as long as it's short? Because I'm. I forgot how to do YouTube because this is my first one. But y'all, you want to put my pajamas on? But like, y'all are not gonna look at me. Cause like, that's gonna be weird then. Oh wait, I can't. Oh yeah, look at my doggy. She just got a haircut. Look at her. She's so cute. Fresh. She smells good. Oh, and then she's my other doggy. She's really hyper. Her name is Daisy. And that one, the other one is Mimi. And this one's Daisy. She's really hyper. And I have this guard dog from, she's an Australian Shepherd. And yeah. I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, baby. I miss you. Actually, she's not my dog, but she used to be. And now she's my aunt, so. Yeah, she bites hard. Even though she's like 8 months old or something. Ow, ow. Okay, Ricochet. Go, go, go. They're calling you. They're calling you. Like, I don't care. Sure. Oh, baby. I love you, baby. Hey. I'm right here. No. That will actually hurt. Okay, Daisy. No. That's enough. That's enough, baby. That's enough. You're really hyper right now. She hurt the back of my head. Whatever. So yeah, bye.